We're back, guys. I'm feeling good. Dozer's been sitting there for a couple weeks. You see where we're at. I think I finally kicked the China virus. Man, I tell you what, that was, I'd say I'm about 90%. But man, it was a month. I think I finally got past it. But here we are. You know where we're at, guys. We're at the clearing job here. Had my buddy Paul Jr. come down here and knock these trees down for me. And he laid her all out down there. Well, we're and get them over the thing. I got Brian from Huber Trucking. He's bringing me 5 loads of brown limestone today. So yeah, hopefully everything works out. What's this all about? Painted green. Customers always got little things for me to do, so we'll get this stuff pushed over the hill. I have no clue what that is. You'll never know what you'll get down here by these rivers. But yeah, we're gonna push this down into here. I might, if he gets here before that, I might just have him drop that load. But we're gonna come down in here and then I'm gonna put a couple campers. Beautiful morning. Beautiful. Man, I tell you, the season's running out quick, and you guys knew how I was slow this summer. And I bid a bunch of stuff, and then it all came in. Everybody wants it done now. So I got 2 building pads, a bunch of dirt work, 2 septics left. I have another septic that's very, very, very difficult. And she called me the other day and I said, just find somebody else. I'm not gonna get to it this year. I've just had it with them. Go somewhere else. I can't keep answering these questions, telling you the same thing every 2 days. Sorry. So yeah, I got plenty of work to take me into the wet, nasty season. Try to build that bank account up. Oh, we're not gonna put some hydraulic fluid in it. Gotta put some and I really don't like let my equipment sit somewhere for 2 weeks, but I figured it'd be safe down here. Come on. I don't know why, but sometimes this dang thing won't. God dang it. On the way here, I had a guy that I know real good. He works at Finn, the straw blowers and stuff. Oh, that's right. I turned off the main power just in case somebody tried stealing it. But he called me. He wants me to come up and look at doing some forestry mulching for him. Well, of course I can. And he wants some concrete work done. He said, while you're up here, I'll show you the demo of all the straw blowers. That'd be cool. Yeah, this should be not too bad today. Once I get this all knocked down and over the hill and get these cut in, I think it's gonna take him probably close to 2 hours per load. So I'm gonna lay it out and have him drop them in. And then I think tomorrow, hopefully Idaho can help me. We'll go finish that mound system up. We ran out of topsoil, and then finish that up. And I think she wants me to seam straw down here, so we might do that. And then finish this out. Kind of already trying to plan the week out. Get all this stuff done before the weather changes. Well, guys, I'll get some cow pee in this thing and Start pushing this over the hill. So this brush here down over the hill like we've been doing. It's a little muddy under there still. That's the thing is these days start getting cold, the stuff don't dry out like it normally does, like you're used to. Hot summer. Got my gravels here. Here comes Big Dog. Got the lean going on. What up? Got the lean going on, don't ya? Nice old railroad tracks here. That's good. Idaho and I are having a little roadside lunch here. Yeah. The river lot is so hard to get into. We got to park down here. You guys seen it before. So we got a little Roy Rogers roast beef. Let's see how that hit you in the head.
I don't think you can go wrong with that.
And I was starving. I went to bed hungry. How is it?
It's pretty good.
There you go, roadside lunch.
Your palate is totally different. All right, guys, we're back on the riverbank in beautiful North Bend, Ohio. Put down a parking pad in the driveway. As soon as he's done playing around on this, we got the F-250 and the straw blower. The seed and straw. Matter of fact, I could probably start seeding right now, I guess, while he's playing around. I think there's another load of gravel coming. I guess we'll see what time it gets here. Don't cover that property stake. There's the owner, making sure we do everything right. There he comes. There's our next load of gravel, Brian, in the Huber truck. I saw him yesterday on the way out to Black Sheep, coming off of Route 1. They should be dropping off some riprap at my house and a load of sand. I was on the schedule for today. I don't think he did it though. Like I said, you guys seen the video or a past video of all this the Ohio River here, right here on the banks, just west of Cincinnati. From here down the river here, I'd say 2 miles, maybe 3, I doubt it, is the Indiana state line. And then, like I say, we're in North Bend. Right here, you can see how the river swings to the right up there. Barge coming down. That's North Bend. William Henry Harrison's tomb's there. A lot of history here. There's a book called It Happened Around North Bend. It's a pretty interesting read at the library. So, but there's Kentucky right over there. You know where you're at.
Well guys, I don't know if I told you, but we're back. I didn't even tell you we were leaving yesterday. I think I got in a non-talkative mood. My guy's back, Huber Trucking. Brian, he never leaves me hanging. I think he leaves me guessing once in a while. He knows he'll get to me, but he just kind of likes to toy with my emotions. I had that load of dirt I had to take to that mound. He had that there for me first thing this morning. We finished up with that. And I said, you think you can get me those other 2 loads? That's good right there. I tell you, that service right there. That service right there. Yeah. I think it's that. Might be 53s. Who knows? That's fine, cut it. Yeah. Everybody's screaming at you, ain't they?
Go to my house?
busting his chops now. Want some more riprap?
Yesterday morning, she told me she put me on for today. It don't. All right, guys. Let us know how old this tree is, and Kevin will send you a shirt. That just means I'm going to have to count them and make sure you're right.
Giving you guys a little more viewing options there. Trying to make your viewing experience the best it can be. Striving for excellence. The worker Idaho is down here trying to do it by himself. The old strobe blower's smoking like a sailor. I guess they smoke, right? When you drive it around, when it bounces around, that oil gets in the top of the head. Dr. Oz is down here working on the straw blower. What do you say, Dr. Oz?
It's not plugged up.
What was it?
I guess it's in there somewhere.
In here?
Maybe I put too much in there. I don't know. It was throwing it out though.
Let's get down and see what Idaho's got kicking. He was trying to do this by himself and he got a couple jam ups. I know, right? He can't sit around. He's from the old school. What are you doing down here? It's white capping. River's flowing that way and it looks like it's going this way.
Well, West Virginia called there. They need a little bit of water back.
Yeah, there you go. West Virginia. Yeah, it's flowing that way. It looks like it's going that way, don't it? From the wind.
Day to have a sailboat in Aurora. I need to make it back to Cincinnati.
There you go.
Today's the day.
Well, guys, we're gonna throw some grass seed on this sucker. I don't think I'm gonna.
Seed it.
Oh, see, we already seeded it. Yeah, we're gonna straw it. We lost one bale coming down here. It went skidding right into the edge, right where we wanted it.
We'll stop and get it.
Safe.
We'll have plenty.
Oh yeah. All right, guys, we're gonna get to laying this straw down. I'm not gonna bore you with that. Heck, a couple times I did time lapses and I didn't even put them in the videos. Hey, you guys didn't sign up this family to watch straw get blown in the air. That's kind of boring. This is family time.
Don't say that. There's an art to it, man. You feel that wind shift and you got to go with it.
There is an art.
I mean,
and I'd have to say Idaho's got it. He's got the feel.
You got to catch the natural way of things.
Yeah.
Make the most out of your straw.
That job I looked at the other day, that clearing job, was right up on that top of that hill over there. Man, you ought to see the view from there. You can see all this down in here.
Oh, yeah.
Looks like you're looking down at the settlers. The guy told me all this land a guy donated and it can never be developed. I think it's like thousands of acres, but you're like looking down, it looks like you're looking down on Indian territory with all them river bottoms, and it's just, look,
there's smoke signals coming up right
there
now.
we go. Tecumseh's over there.
Indians over there burning rubber.
in their
That's a wire fire.
in their Comanches.
Yeah, get that copper out.
They're getting their Comanches. Well, guys, we'll get back to you here when we got this all laid down. Let's see what time it is. See how long it takes us.
It's 2:40.
2:38. Let's see what it takes us. That was the best $20,000 I ever spent. Wasn't it?
Oh yeah. Yeah. Worth every penny of it. And still today it is.
That's right. Let's get it. Well, here's how it turned out, guys. You don't even see all these little roots and stuff until you straw it. Turned out good. This thing's gonna look awesome once you get the grass growing. Soil's super, super good. This is a fun project. Kind of hate for it to be over, but I just got a text. What is it? I am gonna miss coming out. I'm telling them I'm gonna miss you and the project. It was just awesome. The view, the weather. You don't get them like this all the time. Good customer, fun to be around. But I just got a text. A big road project up the road from my house. Another one that I bid a few weeks ago, and it just came. I'm gonna be busy this fall, which is good. The excavator motor should be running today. Got 3 or 4 jobs. Oh, I got that demo job too. I'm gonna go say bye to Pat, Idaho. I know you want to go say bye. Go say bye to our customers. Make sure everybody's on a happy. Make sure everybody's happy. Huh?
Get my gun out, shoot it in the river a couple times.
Let's do it.
See how long it takes the cops to get here.
Probably not. They're used to it down here. Well, you know, I haven't heard any shots since we've been down here. Yeah, guys, we'll have some good projects coming up into the winter. Keep the videos coming.
Yeah, you were all worried.
Well, now we're up against weather.
Well, don't worry about that.
Well, guys, hope you enjoyed. I know I enjoyed being with you.
Yeah. Most of the time.
Most of the time, right. You guys know what to do. Let's get it. Let's grow this family.